Aunt Becky sent us a package. Aunt Becky sent us a package.
And mints.
It has mints on it. Oh my goodness. We have a package from Aunt Becky.
Come here, Red.
Look for Aunt Becky. I'm watching Run Around Silas. We gotta watch him around Silas before he tries to lick him.
Yeah, Red will try and lick him if we're not careful.
I'm watching him.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Hey, alright.
Oh, look who's on it. Who's that? Let's see, what's the note say? It says, hey guys, this is an early Valentine's Day present so I can share the cookies we made this weekend. The red mini talks, but they're really quiet. Oh, there's lots of cookies. You want a cookie, Leah? Ooh, look.
Minis!
Oh, yay!
That one's for Leah.
It is?
Yes, this one's for me.
Oh, yay! Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness, princess cups. Ooh! Look at that, Leah.
Trash.
That's so funny. Oh, one for Naomi too.
This.
Can you push the button? You have to push the button to make it go. Push the button right there. See that black button?
Baby. Baby.
Cookie. You can have a cookie.
Let's see what's in here.
You want to see what's in there? What's in here? What's that? We don't know. It's lipstick.
Daddy, like that.
Yeah.
Push this button. You push this button like that. Then
All
like
right.
that.
That's neat.
This lipstick tastes like candy.
I'm gonna taste that one.
You do. You have a cookie, Leah? You know what's inside here, Naomi? Let's see.
We don't need to open it with our finger. This one's that is kind of hard, so we need to use it with the knife.
Belle, you're right. Good job. Oh, candy. Oh, that's yummy.
See?
You want to have a candy? Who's on it? What's that?
When I keep jumping on the bed with that Cinderella pants, we have the keep saying, Bella.
You did?
All right.
Here you go, Leah.
Here, Daddy, let me show you how we can do it. You just push the button
Yeah.
right like that, then it lights up like
All
that.
right.
You have a taste?
Shit.
Want to taste
You
it?
can turn it all around, see it. Now that's Snow White.
Snow White?
And Nana has a worm.
What do you say to Aunt Becky, Naomi?
Daddy's recording for Aunt Becky. What do you say? You say, thank you.
Thank you, Bella.
Look at the camera
Look at
and
the
say
camera and
thank
say,
you,
hi,
Aunt
Aunt Becky. Are you too shy now? Look, hey, Naomi. Hey, Naomi. Look at the camera and say, thank you, Aunt Becky.
Thank you.
Look at the.
Say bye-bye.
Uh,
Say bye-bye.
Look
Okay,
at,
good stuff.
look at